Hello, babes. Welcome back to Brown Girl Bella, where we bring you the best in beauty, skincare, and everything in between. And tonight, you know, it is award season. We are still doing the Bella Awards, and tonight it is Best Mascara. So this is one of the most important nominations of the year. This is an important category because you know I'm all things lips, lashes, and luxury. So here we go. Whether you want a bold, dramatic lash or a natural, fluttery look, this year's contenders are all bringing the heat and redefining what it means to have a lash game that is on point. So let's get into it. First up, we have the nominee, Fenty Beauty, which I should hold this way, Fenty Beauty, and it's hella thick volumizing mascara. Rihanna knew exactly what she was doing with this one. This mascara is all about extreme volume and boldness and thick lashes that really make a statement. If you're ready to be unapologetically bold, then this is the mascara for you. Next, babes, we have a luxury favorite that is stealing hearts. It is the YSL Lash Clash Extreme Volume Mascara. This one brings the pigment drama and intense, long-lasting volume. Plus, can we take a moment to talk about the packaging? Luxe and iconic. That's exactly how I like my mascaras, don't you? And finally, we have a pick from Milk Makeup. This is for my babes who love a clean, natural approach to beauty. The Milk Makeup Rise Mascara is a vegan powerhouse with conditioning formulas that is perfect for an all-day wear. This is effortless beauty with major, major impact. All right, babes, and there you have it, our makeup nominees for Best Mascara 2024. Fenty Beauty, Hella Thick, YSL Lash Clash, and Milk Makeup Rise Mascara. Now it's your turn to sound off in the comments and vote for your mascara of the year 2024. Okay, babes, so I am trying to pack for my vacation. And like I said, I want to be very, very minimalist with my makeup because I'm going to Atlanta to see my grandson. So I don't really plan on going out and doing much else besides running around and playing with him. So I thought I would bring just a few things just in case, you know, I'll be staying over the Christmas break. So just in case, you know, people come over and I want to just, you know, beat my face a little bit, I have the necessary ingredients in order to do so. So starting with the brows, I was thinking I would just bring my brow pencil. This is the Precisely My Brow pencil from Benefit. You know, I love this. I use it all the time. So this is quick and no muss, no fuss. So I figured I won't go wrong with that. Then for the concealer, I was thinking I'd just bring the Say because, as I said before, really minimalist. I love the way Say covers my under eye, discoloration, dark circles, and it really also brightens the skin as well. So I figure I won't go wrong with that as well. And then for mascara, of course, I want to bring my primer along. So I'm going to bring my Lancome primer that I'm still working with. It's still going to be good to bring. So I'm going to bring that. And then for mascara, I thought I would bring my Fenty Beauty along with the Milani for lashes because I don't need too much else. Those two really, really work for me. And then for my eyeshadow, if I want to do eyeshadow, I was going to bring the Paint eyeshadow base that I got from Colored Rain. It's the new one that I got from them. So I figure I'd be safe with that. So those are like my, let's say, foundation. Then let's go on to the rest of the face. So like I said, I don't want to do too much or, bring too much or look like I'm bringing too much. I want to do too much. I want to keep it very, very simple. So I'm thinking, since I want to keep it so simple, that I would just bring my Hourglass Face palette. So it has everything that I need. It has powders in here. It has a bronzer. It has blushes, even has a highlight. So everything is kind of contained within this palette, and I can just bring this along. Plus, it is sturdy because it's in tin, so I'm not going to feel any type of way about it jostling in my makeup bag. It's going to be pretty secure. So I figured I'd do that. And then for foundation, of course, I want to bring my Christian Dior. This has been my holy grail since I got it. I'm actually using it today for this look. So I figured this is going to be perfect for me to bring and just do that all over the face. So the only thing left is eyeshadow. I think what I'm going to do is just bring one of my Westman Ateliers. So this stack here, I forget what they call these stacks, but this one is the one with smudge. So this is smudge. It's like a chocolatey matte color. Really nice. I can put this all over the eye. And then I can put Mink, which is beautiful shimmer color. Really, really pretty. I can put that in the on the lid as like my shimmer shade. And then if I want extra shimmer, I can also go in with Fête, which is kind of like a rose goldish, almost coral-like shimmer. And I can do that. Or I can trade off with Mink and either do this one or the Mink color as my lid. So that gives me a couple of different options and things to play with. Or I can just do the smudge all over the eye and the lower lash line and call it a day also. So I figure with this stack of 3, I have quite a few options to play with. So that can be my eyeshadow that I bring. Again, I want to keep it simple. Don't want to do too much. I don't want, there to be, a whole lot going on. And I want to just zip through my makeup look really, really quickly. And then lastly, for lips, I'm thinking about bringing one bold statement lip. So I think I will bring one of my YSLs, maybe this brick red right here. That can be an option. And then for daytime looks, I'm thinking maybe I'll do the Scenic Brown. This is beautiful. Or bring what I have on now, which is the, I think it's called Nude Lingerie or something like that. It's like a rosy brown color. This is what I have on right now on my lips. It's perfect with a brown chestnut liner. Really, really gorgeous and effortless. So that's kind of where I'm thinking we will land for makeup. Now for clothing, I have some options that I'm looking at. Again, very casual, lounge suits, lounge pieces. I have a few 2-piece lounge sets that I'm thinking of bringing. Some jeans, maybe 2 pairs of jeans and different sweatshirts or different tops that I can put on. So I'm bringing a couple of dressy tops and a couple of like just sweatshirts or oversized sweaters, things of that nature. So that's kind of where I'm at for clothing. And then for shoe wear, I'm gonna bring my Uggs, maybe carry 1 pair of like fancier boots and then my sneakers, because let's face it, I'm gonna be running around with a toddler most of the day, so I'm gonna need my sneakers to keep me on my toes. So that is it, babes. That's all I think I'm going to try and pack this time around. Like I said, I'm bringing this one here, so that in itself is going to be a lot on me. So I really want to make sure that I'm not encumbered with a lot of other things so that I can manage myself and dream in this trip. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about what I'm, thinking about. If you think I should pack anything else, or if you think I'm pretty set and pretty good, and that's the direction that you would go into, because I'm always curious to hear your thoughts, babes. And until next time, you have now been Bellafied. Happy Bellamas.